Hi, and welcome to session 8 of the Etsy, subreddit, and Quora Q&A session series. And today's question comes from Quora, and the question is selling fan art in an Etsy shop illegal? First of all, what is fan art? Fan art, as I understand it, is art that is based around a musical group typically, or a band typically, that fans like to wear just to commemorate their love, appreciation for a particular musical group. So is selling such art in an Etsy shop illegal? The bottom line is, are you infringing on anyone's copyright, trademark, or intellectual property? If you are, then yes, it most likely is. If you're not, and the only ways I can think that you wouldn't is if you actually contact the band or whomever you want to create this fan art around and get a licensing agreement to create the art that you do, and you have something in writing and it's documented, etc., then it might be okay. And I use the word might. And just to cover all what I just said, I am not a lawyer. I don't know for sure. It's always best to consult with your lawyer. If you want a referral, I have a really good one. And if that's something you want to do. So first and foremost, you just want to make sure you're not infringing on anyone's trademarks, copyrights, intellectual property, etc. If it belongs to someone else, you really just don't even want to mess around with it. And that was, oh, I forgot one other thing. I do have a podcast episode where I talked to a seller, Julie Ingmeyer, and she sells fan art on Etsy. And she got permission from the band whose fan art she sells to do what she does. So if you want to listen to that conversation and learn how she did that and is able to do what she does, that is, let me pull it up, that's the Etsy Conversations podcast episode 202, and I will link to it at the bottom of this video so you can go and listen to it, or you can just subscribe in iTunes or wherever you listen to podcasts. Okay, that's it.